See the theorem, basic proportionality theorem. The theorem sentence is, if a line parallel to a side of triangle intersect the remaining side in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. From this sentence we have to write that is given to prove and figure. There is two words, if and then. The sentence after if, that is called as given, and the sentence after then, that is called as to prove. Then write first of all the figure. There is given triangle. We have to draw the figure of triangle. Give the name point ABC, that is triangle ABC. If a line parallel to a side of triangle, take one line parallel to the side of triangle, any side of triangle, then side BC, we have to take the line L parallel to side BC, and that line is intersect the remaining sides of this triangle, remaining side AB and AC. Side AB, that line intersect at point P, and to side AC the line intersect at point Q. Then from this write first given. The sentence after if, that is called as given. What is the given? In triangle ABC, line L parallel side BC, line L parallel side BC, and line L intersect side AB and AC in point P and Q respectively. That is, the line L intersect side AB at point P and side AC at point Q. That is the given. Then write to prove. What we have to prove? The sentence after then. What is the sentence? The line divides the side in the same proportion. This line divide the side. Side AB divide in two parts, that is AP and PB, and side AC divide in two parts, that is AQ and QC. Both are in proportion. That is, write AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Then next write construction. For a construction, point P and C, that is joint point P and C, are called as a joint segment PC. Then joint segment BQ. The construction is, write draw segment PC and BQ. See, draw the segment PC and BQ. See the proof of this theorem. For the proof, take a two triangle from the figure. That is, we have to prove AP upon PB and AQ upon QC. For that, take two triangles, triangle APQ and triangle PQB. See, triangle APQ and triangle PQB. In triangle APQ, have the side PQ and triangle PQB having the side PQ. That is, the side PQ is the common side, both the triangles. Then take this common side as a height of these triangles. Therefore, triangle APQ and triangle PQB have equal heights. If the heights are equal of both the triangles, then their areas, ratio of area of these two triangles are in a proportion of their bases. Therefore, write area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to, the height is equal, then what is the base of APQ? Take the base of APQ is a side AP, then write here side AP, and triangle PQB, see PQB, take the base is a PB, take the base is a PB. Give the name sentence 1. Area proportion bases. Areas proportion to bases. Then take again two triangles. Area of triangle, same triangle, take APQ and area of triangle APQ and area of triangle. Now take second one is a PQC is equal to. Observe this triangle APQ, this one APQ, and next triangle is a C PQC. PQC, this triangle PQC, same as a PQ side is a common of both the triangles. Then this PQ side is, we have to take the height of these both the triangles. Then their bases are different. Take the ratio of their bases APQ. Now take the base AQ. Write the base AQ and triangle PQC. Take the base of this triangle is a side or segment QC. That is a sentence 2. Write the same reason, areas proportion to their bases. Then see next, in triangle PQB and triangle PQC. Observe the triangle C PQB and triangle PQC. Both the triangles having the common side, that is a PQ. Take PQ is the base of both the side. Therefore, segment PQ is a common side of triangle PQB and triangle PQC. Then segment PQ or line L is parallel to side BC. Line L or segment PQ parallel to segment BC. The triangle in two parallel sides have the same height. Therefore, the height of both the triangles, triangle PQB and triangle PQC, are same because they are between the triangles in two parallel lines. Therefore, their height is the same. Hence, triangle PQB and triangle PQC have equal height. Therefore, the triangles have an equal base and also equal heights. their areas also equal. Therefore, area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle PQC. That is the sentence third. From the sentence first and second, observe the sentence first and second and third. Area of triangle. See the sentence third, area of triangle PQB and area of triangle PQC are equal. In first one, APQ upon PQB is equal to AP upon PB. Here APQ upon PQC is equal to AQ upon AC. See APQ triangle, here is also APQ triangle same. PQB, in second sentence the triangle is a PQC. Triangle PQB and triangle PQC are the equal. We have to prove in sentence third. Therefore PQC, PQB equal, APQ, APQ also equal. Their left side is a equal. Then write area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQP is equal to area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC. Right here from sentence first, second and third. From sentence first, second and third, we have to prove this is a left side and this is a right side. In left side, sentence 1 is equal to AP upon PB, and this right side, that is the AQ upon QC. These both left sides are equal. Therefore in sentence first and second, their right side is also equal. Therefore we have to prove that AP upon PB from sentence 1 and AQ upon QC from sentence 2. Therefore write here from sentence 1 and 2. Next one is a converse of basic proportionality theorem. We have to learn now what is the converse of theorem. The sentence is a changes after if and then. The theorem is if a line divides any two sides of triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third line. See, if after the sentence if, that is the given, and after the sentence then, that is called as a to prove. See the diagram, triangle ABC, line L parallel to side BC. We have to prove the parallel, line L is parallel to side BC, that is the converse. The line is parallel to the third side. The first side is take AB, second side AC and third side BC. Line L is parallel to BC, we have to prove that. Line L intersects the side AB and AC of triangle ABC in point P and Q respectively, and AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Hence, this is in a proportion is equal AP upon PB, AQ upon QC. These two proportions are equal. Then we have to say the line L is the line L is parallel to side BC.